Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who demand precision, reliability, and ease of use. Combining fast printing speeds with advanced automatic resin handling, this printer allows users to focus on creating, not on setup or cleanup. From tiny miniatures to large-scale models, the M7 Max delivers exceptional detail and smooth finishes, making it perfect for both personal projects and professional prototyping. Its intelligent resin management system works seamlessly behind the scenes, minimizing user intervention while keeping prints clean and efficient. The printer's advanced light source technology enables precise curing and calibration, handling files with resolutions as fine as 10 microns. Despite its high-end capabilities, the M7 Max remains affordably priced for its class, offering tremendous value to anyone looking to invest in a reliable SLA printer. Who it's for? Professionals. With near-industrial build quality and outstanding reliability, the M7 Max is ideal for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, and printing highly detailed models. Enthusiasts and hobbyists. Affordable and feature-rich, this printer allows artists and hobbyists to produce high-quality resin prints quickly. Its intuitive interface and minimal resin handling make transitioning from unboxing to finished prints simple and stress-free. Specifications: 3D printing technology, stereolithography, SLA. Materials: resin. Print colors: 1. Frame: closed. Max build volume: 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 in. Top resolution: 10 microns. Interface: Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions: 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 in. Weight: 52.91 pounds. Warranty: 1 year, parts and labor. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship 3D printer from a company that has helped lead the way in filament-based multicolor printing. Designed to bring high-quality, multicolor printing within reach, the A1 features a 4-color print capability, a large print bed, and an easy-to-swap nozzle system, all at an approachable price. Setting up the A1 is simple, and it delivers excellent print quality right out of the box. Users can choose the $399 base model or upgrade to the A1 combo for $559, which includes Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system, allowing immediate multicolor printing. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 is ideal for those new to 3D printing. Its intuitive setup, straightforward operation, and reasonable price point make it a stress-free entry into multicolor printing. The A1 combo version adds the 4-color spool system, letting beginners experiment with multicolor designs without extra purchases. Hobbyists and experienced users. With a large build area and reliable performance, the A1 appeals to hobbyists and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. Its precise filament handling and flexible material support ensure consistent, high-quality prints across a variety of projects. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors, 4, with optional spool system. Frame design, open. Max build volume, 10 by 10 by 10 in. Top print resolution, high precision. Interface, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions: 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 in. Weight: 18.3 pounds. Warranty: 1 year, parts and labor. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact and affordable 3D printer designed for users who want high-quality prints without breaking the bank. Its standout feature is an optional add-on module that allows printing with 1 to 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creation simple and accessible. Despite its small footprint, the A1 Mini produces precise prints at impressive speeds, giving both beginners and hobbyists the ability to bring ideas to life quickly and reliably. Who it's for? Beginners, nearly fully assembled out of the box, the A1 Mini is incredibly easy to set up and start using. Its intuitive operation and consistent, high-quality output make it an excellent choice for those new to 3D printing. The combo version includes the 4-color add-on module, allowing users to explore multicolor designs with minimal effort. Budget-minded hobbyists, priced under $400, the A1 Mini is one of the most affordable 4-color FDM printers on the market. It offers a seamless out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and reliable performance, making it ideal for hobbyists who want impressive multicolor prints while keeping costs low. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors, 4. Extruders, 1. Frame design, closed. Maximum build volume, 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Top print resolution, 100 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 in. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year, parts and labor. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines affordability, speed, and multicolor capability, making it a versatile and practical choice for both beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an open-frame 3D printer designed for those who want jumbo-sized prints without spending a fortune. Offering a build volume rarely seen in sub-$500 printers, the Neptune 4 Plus can handle large projects with ease. In our testing, it successfully printed more than 20 objects, delivering generally very good quality results. While it requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space, setup is straightforward, and operation is intuitive. To get started, make sure to include at least one filament spool with your purchase or choose a bundle that comes with filament included. Who it's for? Beginners, the Neptune 4 Plus is an excellent choice for newcomers willing to learn the mechanics of 3D printing. Its open-frame design exposes motors, belts, cables, the print bed, extruder, and filament feed, providing hands-on insight into how 3D printers work. This visibility, combined with simple assembly, makes it a practical learning tool. Our test prints showed that it can produce large objects with impressive quality. Budget-minded hobbyists on a budget will appreciate the Neptune 4 Plus for its combination of affordability, versatility, and large build volume. Supporting a wide range of filament types, it allows users to experiment with different materials while keeping costs low. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM. Supported materials, ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame design, open. Max build volume, 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 in. Top resolution, 100 microns. Interface, USB, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 in. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year, parts and labor. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers large-scale, high-quality printing at a remarkably affordable price, making it a standout choice for beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists alike. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for tinkerers and beginners who want an easy-to-use introduction to 3D printing. Building on the strengths of previous Ender-3 models, the V3 offers improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling, making it a reliable and efficient printer for a variety of projects. While it isn't without minor issues such as occasional noise, vibration, and a print bed that requires glue treatment, it remains a highly capable and budget-friendly option for both hobbyists and newcomers. Who it's for? Beginners, the Ender-3 V3 is perfect for those starting their 3D printing journey. Its open frame design exposes the extruder, motors, and print bed, allowing users to observe and learn the mechanics behind each print. Assembly is straightforward, and the printer delivers fast, high-quality prints, providing a satisfying and educational experience for new users. Budget buyers, for hobbyists on a tight budget or those seeking a secondary or backup printer, the Ender-3 V3 is an ideal solution. Its modest price, small footprint for an open-frame printer, and reliable performance make it a practical choice for anyone looking to produce quality prints without spending a fortune. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame design, open. Max build volume, 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 in. Top print resolution, 350 microns. Interface, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 in. Weight, 17.2 pounds. Warranty, 12 months. The Creality Ender-3 V3 delivers an accessible, high-quality 3D printing experience, making it a standout option for beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists alike.